Let's start in chapter number 11 verbs. Underline the verbs in the passage. Mother Nature teach us many lessons. Look at the hard working ant. Throughout the summer, the ant works tirelessly to collect food for the winter. It does not rest for a single day. When the winter approaches, it stays inside its hole. It feels safe because it has enough food. In the same way, if we work hard now, we will enjoy its benefit when we grow up. You know that the verb is an action word. It can tell us what a person or thing does and what a person or thing is has. Verb उस शब्द को कहते हैं जो किसी कार्य का होना बताता हो, या किसी काम का करना, या किसी काम का किसी के ऊपर होना जाहिर करता हो, वो क्या कहलाता है? वर्ब कहलाता है. मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्ब्स आर डूइंग वर्ब्स. मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्ब्स क्या होती है? डूइंग वर्ब्स होती है, यानी कि जो काम कर रही होती. इट्स दैट आर टेल अस व्हाट अ पर्सन और थिंग डज. एग्जाम्पल, द मैन फेल्स डाउन. द मैन इज फेल डाउन. द फेल fail is a word which is in a bold letter and the dark black. You just find out this is the verb. The next sentence is Radha ran towards the door. To Radha dodi, it's a run. Ran is a word which is referred to the verbs. The verb has and have tell us what a person or thing owns or has. It's mean the verb has or have is tell us the person is owns has, यानी कि किसी के पास कोई चीज़ मौजूद हो तो उसे कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, I am tall. Madhu and Govind were on a bus. Some verb consists of the main verb or the helping verb. The main verb tell us about the action, while the helping verb tell us about the time of the action. Examples: they are shouting. Here, are is indicated to the present tense, and they were sailing. The verb is a refer to indicate the past sentences. We just say the past sentences. Now we have discussed the object of the verbs. Object of the verb. Read these sentences carefully. Peter bought a new football. The old man remembered his childhood friend. So in the first sentence you just find out the bought and football. The old man remembered his childhood friend. The remembered and friend. Now we have discussed in the first sentence the word football and friend are the nouns which are affected by the action of the verbs in the sentences. They are the object of the verb. To identify the object, we ask whom or what to the verb. In these sentences, the object answers the questions bought what and remembered whom. Now we have discussed the object of the sentences. The object in the sentence is the noun or pronoun which is affected by the action of the verb, which is preferred by the action of the verb. You know the formula of the simple sentence is subject plus SRM plus helping verb plus main verb and plus object. The object, now we have discussed the object. The object in the sentences is the noun or pronoun which is affected by the action of the verb. There are the two types of verbs we have discussed today. We have discussed the two types of verbs. The first verb we try to discuss transitive or intransitive verb. The first of all we have to read the sentence. Firstly, read the sentences. Sunil sold his old car and she is swimming. So Sunil sold his car is a transitive verb and she is swimming. Is swimming is a intransitive verb. In the first sentence we have now we have broadly explained the indications of the sentence. In this first sentence, the verb sold needs the object car to complete its meaning. It is the transitive verb. In the second sentence, the verb is swimming does not need an object to complete its meaning. Its meaning an intransitive verb. Now the definitions of intransitive verb. A transitive verb is a verb which needs an object to complete its meaning in the sentences. Look at these two Examples from the transitive verb. The mother opened. Is a transitive verb, and what the mother opened? The mother opened is a bag. Now the next is Suki helped her brother. Who helped? The subject is Suki, and help is a doing verb. Her brother is a object. Now we have discussed the last topic of the day is a intransitive verb. We have discussed the intransitive verb today. Intransitive verb is a verb which does not need an object to complete its meaning in the sentence. Example: the sun shines, the birds fly, Tamanna is laughing, the children are swimming. In these sentences, the verb do not require an object to complete their meaning. Therefore, shines, fly, is laughing, and are swimming are intransitive verbs. So let's discuss the